Hello guys, Shazad Rabbani again. This video is about a trade setup view of USDJPY, United States dollar versus Japanese yen. Today's video specifically I have chosen for monthly chart or for monthly views. One would require to have a bigger picture if you really want to know what's going on in the market. Remember, this would be applicable right from the trading session start from the 20th of February 2017 onward. You may remember that this is a swing trading sort of setup, and if you want to grab the full results, you may require the expected results may come in about a quarter. So this is really a bigger picture view setup, right? Before start the proceedings, let's have a risk disclosure warning statement from my side. This video is only for educational purposes and foreign exchange trading carrying margin and substantial risk, therefore it isn't suitable for every investor. All right, as you can see, this is the USD JPY right chart. I'm now gonna delete everything so that you may see a clear naked chart, right? And now I'm going to shift it from daily to monthly chart, right? One thing you must be remembered on a monthly trade setup, you must be aware to have to take into consideration every swing. Rather it may constitute for about 4 or 5 months, or for 6 months, or for years, right? So a general view is, as you can see, from the 1st of July 2017, right? This particular pair since then have been in a downward move up till the 1st of March 2012, right? So this trend, we may call it is a sell trend, a bear market, but each trend has, as I have always been emphasized on this point, that each trend has even a sell trend has a lower high and lower low pattern, right? As you can see, this is the high, the low, this is the swing low, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, all together, right? So from this up till this, it was about 1st July 2011, right? This pair has posted the lowest points. After this, it has the swing high, right, and the swing low, right? But the previous swing high, when it breaks, you can see the market is shoot up and have a bull pattern of higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So by default, by definition, from here to here, one could say it is a sell trend, and from here to here it is a buying trend, right? As we are now on 20th February 2017, you may apply it right from today. Don't just think that applicable of this system on a monthly basis, you are gonna trade in couple of days or in couple of hours. You have to be very careful and very patient for this, right? Sometime you may not even get any sort of trade for about 1 or 2 or even 3 months, right? But don't lose your patience, don't be panic, just wait and see, and just jump into the market when your trading rules, when your setup allows you to do so, right? That's why I have always been emphasized that logarithm sort of traders, like money managers, have always been successful because they believe and they work on logarithms. What the logarithm said, they do it, the same things, right? So for your convenience, let's come to our particular point about how to read on a monthly basis, right? I'm gonna draw a sign, right? This is the higher high point. I'm going to draw the triangle, right? This is the higher high point and this is the swing low point, right? After this it has posted this lower high, right? Why I've called it lower high? Because it didn't break this particular level, right? And as you can see, when the previous swing has broken on this particular point, right, the market has just like a rollover. So now we can say on a monthly basis, as long as this particular point right remains, we may say it is a sell trend, a bear market. USDJPY is a bear market. Well, some of you probably disagree with me, keeping in view the fundamentals, but I don't concern and I don't care about the fundamentals, right? I just needed a very clear and naked chart, and the chart will tell me everything, right? So as this point, when it is broken right on this candles, you can see it has made the new low. Now we can call it the lower low, right? The lower low. So after breaking this particular point, one would imagine to draw the trend line, right? So the trend lines is usually connect the previous swings, right? At this point, this is the previous swing, right? And this is the also the swing when it is broken. As you can see, the market just like a downtrend, right? So now, as you can see, this is the lower point. Why I've called it lower low point? Because as I've already said, that it is a new low after breaking this swing higher low, right? So I've drawn a trend line, and trend line's angle is, as you can see, is on the upward, right? So one would say that after breaking this would be my entry, and now it seems the market is retesting the levels, retesting the trend line, right? So there is a possibility if it reach about if it will be having like this levels, right, go short, right? Okay, now you can say this may be this may be having after 2 or 3 months, or it may not be even happen. The market will coming down and down and down. So what would you do in that way, right? As you can see, this is the previous swing low, right? I'm gonna draw this trend line and connect these two levels, right? So one would say my target of selling is 117 or 118, right? As long as this particular trend line won't break, right? This particular trend line. So around this point there would be a sell, right? My target would be obviously this particular trend lines, right? And I have very often believed that market may touch about this 1-1 or 1-2 levels somewhere. So this would be my target, whereas my stop loss would be around on this point, right, at 123. So my trade of USDJPY on a monthly basis is go short if you see the market around 117s, right, for a target of 102 with a stop loss of 123, right? This is the monthly projection and monthly target of mine with this trade. Okay guys, it's all about from my side. If you have any question or query, please don't hesitate, just ask me, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.